How to build wealth over 10 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $21,339. $200 monthly contribution grows to $40,311. $300 monthly contribution equates to $59,283. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $78,225. $500 monthly contribution becomes $97,227. $600 monthly contribution grows to $116,119. $700 monthly contribution turns into $135,170. $800 monthly contribution becomes $154,142. $900 monthly contribution grows to $173,114. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $192,086. Over a 10-year time period, a contribution of $5,259 a month will generate $1,098,000. How to build wealth over 15 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $40,306. $200 monthly contribution grows to $76,970. $300 monthly contribution equates to $113,634. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $150,298. $500 monthly contribution becomes $186,962. $600 monthly contribution grows to $223,626. $700 monthly contribution turns into $260,289. $800 monthly contribution becomes $296,953. $900 monthly contribution grows to $333,617. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $370,281. It will require a monthly contribution of $2,718 over 15 years to accrue $1,016,000. How to build wealth over 20 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $69,490. $200 monthly contribution grows to $133,375. $300 monthly contribution equates to $197,260. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $261,145. $500 monthly contribution becomes $325,030. $600 monthly contribution grows to $388,915. $700 monthly contribution turns into $452,081. $800 monthly contribution becomes $516,686. $900 monthly contribution grows to $580,571. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $644,456. It'll require a monthly contribution of $1,557 over 20 years to accrue to $1,297,000. How to build wealth over 25 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $114,392. $200 monthly contribution grows to $220,160. $300 monthly contribution equates to $325,929. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $431,697. $500 monthly contribution becomes $537,466. $600 monthly contribution grows to $643,234. $700 monthly contribution turns to $749,003. $800 monthly contribution becomes $854,771. $900 monthly contribution grows to $960,540. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $1,066,308. Over a 25-year time period, a contribution of $938 a month will generate $1 million. How to build wealth over 30 years. Your starting investment today is $1,000 invested in an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 9%, excluding taxes. $100 monthly contribution turns into $183,479. $200 monthly contribution grows to $353,690. $300 monthly contribution equates to $523,902. $400 monthly contribution balloons to $694,113. $500 monthly contribution becomes $864,324. $600 monthly contribution grows to $1,034,535. $700 monthly contribution turns into $1,204,747. $800 monthly contribution becomes $1,374,958. $900 monthly contribution grows to $1,545,169. $1,000 monthly contribution becomes $1,715,381. It'll require a monthly contribution of $580 over 30 years to accrue $1,493.